There's a method to this shot.
Okay.
The first thing we need is a shot of Bailey's. Everybody likes a shot of Bailey's, right?
I'm okay with Bailey's. All right.
I'm excited about this shot, Stephanie.
I can't tell if you're being honest about it
I
or
know
not.
what's coming. I'm not excited about this. Lime juice.
What are you doing?
All right, so you take sweetened lime juice. We're gonna do a shot of sweetened lime juice.
We're gonna what?
Sweetened lime juice.
And Bailey's?
Yeah, there's a science to this shot, by the way. So you have to take the lime juice shot, but don't swallow.
No, that's gonna curdle in your mouth.
No, it's lime juice. That's not gonna curdle in your mouth.
But the Bailey's is.
Take the lime juice, hold it in your mouth, and then take this and then swirl them in your mouth. See, you're mixing them together for the ultimate flavor. And then about 10 seconds, you can swallow it. And they're warm, so it's going to be even better.
Babe, I'm gonna throw up. This is gonna make me throw up.
Don't throw up.
It's gonna make me vomit.
We got this. Come on, it'll be fun. Ready?
I reacted. I'm sorry. No.
Wow!
As soon as as soon as it started to react, I was done. That was horrible.
Look,
That was weird.
The flavors are weird.
Weird.
It's sour, but that
reaction.
that pudding swirling around in your mouth. Oh, that's funny. Do that to your drunk friend. Wow.
That's strange.
Oh boy.
I don't know. The lime juice wasn't horrible. I thought it was gonna be bad, but as soon as you added the Bailey's and it started to do that reaction in your mouth, it was like, yeah, I'm not holding that.
Yeah, I feel red.
You are red.
All right.
That was.